This video covers the F diminished 7th arpeggio, the full diminished. The full diminished arpeggio or chord, remember, is built on minor thirds. Now, I haven't been talking about written music in these because I don't use written music for the scales or arpeggios. I'll focus on the fingering and the feeling in the fingering and the keyboard. Because when you see these things in music, you'll learn to recognize them. And you'll I know what that feels like, and you'll be able to do it. You actually get to the point where you can do it without even looking at the keyboard because you've drilled it into your finger, your muscle memory, to the point you can do that. Minor thirds, built on starting with F. So we're here, minor third up, minor third up, minor third up. Got one black key. If you're curious about the music, so what does the actual written music look like? I ain't going to show you. I'll describe it. Start out with just a regular F7 chord. It's here. Now remember, if we're in the key of F major, there's only one flat, so we're going to use all white keys. So it's F and then a 7th. Just sticking right in there. Now to make it minor, we simply lower things down to make everything a minor third. So this goes down to here, now it's an A flat, minor third. This one needs to go down to here, minor third. Now it's a C flat, because it was a C, it's not a B, it's a C flat. And this needs to go down a whole step to here to be a minor third. So this is going to be an E double flat. So a 1 flat, 2 flats. So it's not like I'm doing an F, A flat, B, D. I'm not. In the written music, that's not how it would be seen. It would be an F, A flat, C flat, E double flat. So it would look like this without the accidentals. And then when you add the accidentals, then it lowers everything down. All of them work the same way. So you can figure them out. Well, just remember there's sometimes double flats used in full diminished chords. That's all. However, let's get back to what we were doing. We've got one black key, and the 4th finger, or the ring finger, is going to play that. So and the other finger is going to play everything else. And we're going to start on the note F here. Now in the right hand, because it's a thumb, we can use the little finger to start. That's our turnaround finger. We can do that. But in the right hand, 3rd finger plays it, so that's the note we use. That's the finger we use, excuse me, here. And I need to come down an octave here, and it's here, here, thumb, here. So the first thing to do is the tremolo exercise. I suggest 1 and 2 octaves, 1 note per beat, 2 notes per beat, and accent. This will help drill these things into the fingers. So it's here. And then 2 notes per beat when you get down there, 2 octaves. The idea. And once you've done that, then go ahead and do the 1 through 4 octaves. 1 here, because this is really not a beginner's thing, although you can try it. If you are a beginner and you want to try this, I recommend only maybe going up 1 octave or 2 octaves at the most, but I'm talking advanced level here. We're going to do the full pattern. So we're going to start here. We'll do the 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, and then the contrary and parallel motion in the whole bit. So. the whole bit. You don't need to do the inversions because the inversions are actually other arpeggios that we cover in other videos. That's fine. Just keep it slow, down around 50 on the metronome. Keep it real slow. You want to focus on the accents and dropping the wrist and what it actually feels like. If you can get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard, it's only feel, that would be great eventually. It takes a while to get there though.